Okay, welcome back to Toeic Test Tango. Boring Toeic videos? No thanks. Test Tango is fun, easy, and the words you really need. Please subscribe. More subscribers means more videos and more food for Puchi Momonga. What are we doing today? Words 11 to 15.
Today we will be studying confirm, arrange, extend, promote, and announce.
You're gonna get a quiz, a card explaining the words. You'll listen and repeat. Then it's your turn to answer a question and a gap fill at the end just for fun. Ready? Number 1, confirm. How does confirm roughly translate? Yes, 確認する. Oh, look at that. A very useful word now. Let's look at the collocations. Confirm a reservation. Confirm receipt. Confirm details. And please confirm. It's more formal than check and very common in Toeic emails. I confirmed the meeting, then forgot about it anyway. Oh dear. Have you ever confirmed a reservation by email? Okay, let's look at some example answers. Yes, I always confirm by email, just to be safe. Is my choice this time? Okay, next up, arrange. Arrange, how does that roughly translate? There it is on the screen now. Very, very useful one again. Doesn't come up so often. When it does, it's usually with these collocations. Arrange a meeting, arrange transport, arrange in advance, and arrange delivery. Also used for arranging flowers. I arranged a surprise party. I forgot to invite anyone. Have you ever arranged a trip or event for other people? Yes, I arranged a trip for my family. Last summer is my choice. There, notice the time reference. That's a nice touch. Extend. Extend is the next word. How does that roughly translate? Yes, 延長する. Okay, so again, quite frequent, very useful. Here are some common collocations. Extend a deadline, extend a contract, extend an offer, and extend business hours. Very common in Toeic business letters. My boss extended the deadline. I extended my lunch break to celebrate. Have you ever asked your teacher or boss to extend a deadline? Yes, I asked for an extension once, and they said yes. It's my choice answer this time. Okay, let's move on now. Next up, promote. That's the word, but how does it roughly translate? Yes, 促進する. There it is. Not so frequent, but very, very useful, important one. Collocations include promote a product, promote growth, get promoted, and promote awareness. Get promoted means get a new title. My company promoted me. They gave me more work and the same salary. Oh no, that sounds familiar. Would you like to get promoted at your job? I'm happy where I am for now. It's my favourite answer this time. It's important to know when you're in a good place. Alright, announce. Announce is the word. How does it roughly translate? 発表する. Yes. Nice. So the collocations here really good. Announce a decision, announce results, officially announce, and announce a merger. This will come up in Toeic news articles a lot. The company announced free pizza Fridays. Everyone immediately became more productive. That would be good, wouldn't it? Yes, please. Have you ever announced something important to your friends or family? Yes, I announced my new job to my family. It's my favourite answer this time. Check out the others. Okay, now for the final gap fill. Please, the meeting time, the room, and any changes to the team. We will, awareness, and our next steps. See if you can remember the words and put them in there. There we are. Please confirm the meeting time, arrange the room, and announce any changes to the team. We will promote awareness and extend our next steps. Are your friends studying for TOEIC? Hit the share button now. It's instant. 友達も TOEIC の勉強をしている？下のシェアバトンを押して、すぐできるよ。Did you share? How about now? Come on, come on, come on. Let's share.
See you in the next one.